NPM presents the High Shear Mixer Granulator, a high-performance GMP model built on a complete stainless steel structure designed for uniform and efficient wet granulation. Engineered with a perfectly balanced impeller and chopper, it ensures homogeneous mixing of substances. Powered by AC variable frequency drives, the machine features air purging arrangements for seals, pneumatically operated lid opening and discharge, and an optional inline co-mill for reducing wet granule size without human intervention. Available with manual or PLC HMI-based panels. DHS MG also offers optional enhancements like pneumatic impeller lifting for ease of cleaning, jacketed bowls with temperature monitoring for sensitive products, peristaltic pump-based automatic binder addition, and 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. Safety is built in with intelligent interlocks. NPM provides auto charging as well as discharging options through various modes, with commercial models ranging from 75 to 1250 liters and R&D to pilot scale models from 3 to 50 liters with interchangeable bowls. NPM offers the perfect solution for every scale of production. NPM process equipments presently futuristic.